Hi, we all know that every health problem starts because of having a bad lifestyle, right? But today I want to give you a deeper level of understanding, why we have this bad lifestyle. I will give you just one simple example. Bad lifestyle is not being able to sleep properly, right? But when you are going to bed, but then why are you not able to sleep properly? Did you ever try to understand? Because something is going on in your head, because you went through something, you had some type of pain, or some type of anger, something happened with your family member. So all those emotions are in your head, that is creating your lifestyle. You are not able to sleep, and then again the next day something else bothered you and you could not sleep, and then it became your lifestyle. If you are emotionally balanced, you will be able to sleep properly, then that will be your good lifestyle, right? And what second example I want to give you, when you are emotionally not balanced, okay, so at that time you do binge eating, right? You are not able to control yourself. Your hand goes to a bottle where something unhealthy is kept, and you just like eating that, and you eat that. But what was the reason behind that? That is called emotional eating, right? And then what we understand, that we don't have control, I don't have control, I just my hand goes there and just eat that. But that is because of your emotions. So understand one thing, you, based on your lifestyle, you are having health problems, and based on your emotional conditions you are creating your lifestyle. So the root cause is your emotional condition, right? So we need to fix that, and then you will have a great lifestyle, and then you will have great health. Thank you.